My wife will now demonstrate how to make an old-fashioned. 2 ounces of bourbon, half an ounce of simple syrup, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 2 dashes of orange bitters, slice an orange peel with a cheese slicer. Set it to the side. Add ice to the pint cup. Mix 10 times in each direction with a bar spoon. Add about half a glass of ice to the doubled old-fashioned glass. Strain into the old-fashioned glass. Express the orange peel over the glass and rub it on the rim. From behind the peel, stab the skewer and place a cherry in between both sides of the peel. Add your straw and you're done.